Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create stunning AI images for free, a step-by-step guide. The tool we will be utilizing for this purpose is the recently upgraded dall-e 3 within the Bing Image Creator. Thanks to its recent improvements, it now produces exceptionally striking images, surpassing its previous performance. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you are interested in staying updated on the latest AI tools and becoming proficient in their usage, you have come to the right place. Our channel consistently provides updates and educational videos on leveraging AI in the modern landscape. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Your support motivates us to keep producing content like this. Now, let us get started. To begin, log in to Bing Image Creator using your Microsoft account. If you are not sure how to do this, I have created a brief video called How to Get Started with Bing Image Creator that will walk you through the account creation and initial setup process. Once you are on the dashboard, you will see a credit count next to the text box. These credits are crucial for efficient image generation. Without sufficient credits, generating images will be significantly slower. But don't worry, they have implemented a reward system where you can earn credits by actively participating on the platform, and it refreshes every week. If I recall correctly, so there is no need to be concerned about running out of credits. By the way, each prompt you use consumes only 1 credit. So, even you are just doing this for fun or as a hobby, your credits won't deplete quickly. This is how the prompt text operates. And to create truly captivating images, it will be immensely beneficial if you were to adhere to this presented template. The template we have at our disposal begins with an adjective, followed by a noun, a verb, and concludes with a design-related element. Now that we are acquainted with this template, we can harness the power of ChatGPT to enhance our prompt generation process, especially in instances where we might be uncertain about the prompts to create. The initial step in this collaborative process with ChatGPT would be to make a simple request such as, "Could you please generate a text prompt following the provided template?" Subsequently, we can proceed to copy and paste the template as ChatGPT generates it. Remarkably, upon generating the initial prompt, ChatGPT also furnishes us with one example. To further streamline the process, we can request ChatGPT to generate an additional set of 5 prompts based on the same template. Isn't it amazing? ChatGPT makes it easy for us. It helps us create prompts without much effort. You might have noticed some symbols and parentheses in the prompts it generates. This is another clever way to use ChatGPT. We can ask ChatGPT to remove these symbols, making the prompts even better. We can now copy and paste it. Return to the Bing Image Creator and paste the text prompt we generated using ChatGPT. Subsequently, click the Create button. Isn't it astonishing? We will proceed to test all the prompts we have crafted to witness the result firsthand. Now, what are your impressions of these images? Are they not remarkable? Do you appreciate the outcomes achieved with the assistance of ChatGPT? I eagerly await your feedback on the images and your thoughts regarding dall-e 3. Please share your comments below. Furthermore, if you wish to preserve the images you have generated, simply click on them. Here, you have the option to share, save, download, and customize. Since I intend to save it to my desktop, I will select the download option. And there you have it. It is as simple as that. You now possesses AI-generated image without incurring any expenses. And again, do support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you into the next one. Thanks for watching.